In this video, we'll show you how to fix the 100% GPU usage issue in Windows. This problem can occur even if you're not playing games or rendering videos. The first thing to try is updating your GPU driver to the latest version. If that doesn't work, try disabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows settings. This setting is enabled by default if your GPU supports it. After disabling it, restart your computer to check if the issue is resolved. To disable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 10, follow the steps in your settings. Another approach is to change the power plan and the power options in the control panel. Switch the power plan to balanced, then restart your computer to see if this fixes the problem. Lastly, your computer might be affected by cryptocurrency mining malware. Hackers use such malware to secretly utilize your GPU for mining cryptocurrency. In this case, use an antivirus to scan and remove the malware from your computer. However, I recommend performing a clean installation of Windows. Immediately after reinstalling Windows, scan your system with antivirus software to ensure it's free of malware. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.